Welcome back to Shopsicle Garage. For today, Azlynn is practicing welding for her 4-H. She has to do 3 types of welds, which are what?
A T-weld, a butt weld, and a lap weld.
Yep, and she is currently practicing what?
A T-weld.
Currently practicing a T-weld. I'm not a welder. We don't have any welder people around here to do what we're doing. Well, I mean, we do, but it's not me. So we're gonna get her set up here, and she's gonna go again. That looks good from here. What's it look like over there? We're using Harbor Freight welder. Wire doesn't like to feed the best.
I missed.
You missed? No, we got plenty of wire though.
Not coming.
That looks good from over here. What's it look like over there? Oh, that looks really good over there too.
Yep.
Let's turn it around and start on the other side.
Be careful, it's going to be really extra hot.
Yep, it's going to be extra hot. So we're going to
Oh man, it's like
what?
not like the thing.
Oh, that's, yeah, it's a little crooked.
Oh well, this is practice. You can learn too, buddy.
I can learn? You said you can learn too, buddy.
Because you can learn too. You were doing it up.
Alright, how's your wire looking? Good?
Yeah, but look. That.
Yeah, there's that piece that she started on earlier for her lap weld. So we're working on it. These are not the final projects for the 4-H. This is just practice. Oh, I gotta get my thing down. She's going.
Okay. Are
Okay,
you ready?
I'm ready. How'd that one go?
Good, I think.
What do you think? All right.
Oh, I just barely missed it.
Ah, fix it.
Fix it.
She's gonna fix it. Did you fix it?
No, I just made it bigger.
Oh.
I'm gonna actually fix it this time.
Okay.
Bruh.
Give it a little more wire. Looks like. Can't tell from here. There you go. I don't have my glasses on because I can't see when I'm close up. How'd that go?
Hey, that one fixed it.
Good.
Did you look at it?
No, because I can't see from over there. Oh yeah. So the first time looks like she missed on the bottom probably. So now she's fixed it by adding some on the top. You know, someone who knows what they're doing would probably say that's not correct, but
Oh, well.
oh well, like I said, we don't know what we're doing, and we're just doing it for 4-H. And the thing doesn't like to feed, so when someone's going to complain that it's open,
Do some of the projects make it to state fair?
not the welding, it said.
Oh, man.
All right, you gonna do some more?
Mm-hmm.
All right,
You ready?
I'm ready. How'd that go?
Pretty good. I don't know if it connected on the bottom
Let me take
or
it.
not, but
Yeah, you got it.
okay.
Looks like a good color from what I've seen, so.
I'm gonna go across that one first.
Okay, remember, slow it down a little bit.
I know.
When she goes across, she goes kind of fast, but it's like a decent speed from here, maybe a little fast still.
It was only this side that got a little fast because there was a bump in the middle of it, and
Yeah.
I kind of like missed it.
That's pretty good.
Why is it ticking?
I don't know. You gotta try a little more, and then our supper will be here shortly.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
But
Bro.
what even happened there?
I don't know.
It connected,
Okay.
but in like the tiny spot.
Give her a little more. That looks like we're having trouble with either wire feeding or the ground or something. tight for some reason.
Would it be that then?
Yeah, that's why I was doing that.
Okay. So you want me to go on it again then?
Yeah.
Okay, and then I'll connect them.
Okay.
You want me to stop and check on it after I'm done, or just keep on going with the connecting?
Oh, just keep going.
Okay.
Yep, you can tell what you're doing over there. I'm ready.
I'm going.
Okay. Was it a little too fast again?
I don't think so. I don't know though.
Just missed a little bit right there.
I'm going to do a little bit more connecting over there.
Yeah, do a little more connecting, then we'll bring it over and see what you got.
Are you ready?
Ready? How's that look?
Better.
Better?
Yeah.
All right, let's see what we got.
Whew.
Oh, hit my shoe. Well, what do you think? Somebody can tell us what we need to do.
Yeah. Please do.
Okay. Is that going to be the last one for now?
Yeah.
Because our supper's on the way home.
How come that you don't do like this side and that side?
You could do the ends, I suppose. You want to do those real quick?
Yeah.
All right, she's going to try to do those ends real quick while we're still here.
Stand over here then?
Yep.
Okay. Are you ready?
Hold on. Ready?
Bruh.
Oh, we got a little close, didn't we?
Yeah, but I got it.
With the thing. Did it get good?
No.
No? Not even close?
No.
Let me see. So there's some rubbery stuff. Yeah, you're a little too high, weren't you?
Yeah.
And to the side, to the right?
Do you want to cut this off or not?
Yeah, is it gooey? Or goopy or something?
It has like a neck thing on it.
A little more. Also, I did not clean those ends, so let's see what happens.
Okay.
Hold on, let me give you a little more. Loosen more. This spool of wire is towards the end,
Okay.
so we're just letting it go.
Are you ready? Then?
Yes, I'm ready.
That was like perfect.
Perfect?
I almost got too close to it, but then I stopped.
Yeah, that's pretty good. You gonna do the other end, or?
Yeah, but can
We need
you
to
flip it
move
around though?
You need to clamp it, or are you good?
I think I should be good.
Should be good for that little bit.
Okay.
All right, ready.
Bro.
You want to clamp?
Yes.
It likes to move on you, don't it?
What? Come on.
Let me get something to get that piece off.
Because it's kind of like in the way.
All right.
Thank you. You ready, bro?
I'm ready. Go for it. What's that look like?
Good.
Good?
Good.
Yeah, it'll do. It's not coming apart. You want to try to weld this tip back on the end real quick again, since you got more practice?
On this side, though?
You want it on this side? It originally came on this side. This side? I don't know about. Oh, no, that's not hot. I think. Oh, it originally came off that piece, but that's okay.
When? Alright, are you ready then?
Yep. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Looks good from here. Did it do it?
Yeah. You want me to do the other side though?
Oh yeah, that's a good one. Do the other part. That ain't going nowhere.
1, 2. That one's good too.
That one's good too. Let's take a look.
No, my chain.
Oh. Bonked it on my leg. What are we looking at? I am all over the place. Looking at those right there. Where are we at? Those? What do you think?
How can you do the other side of that?
Well, we'll have to hold it up. Just can't hold this straight, so we'll probably have to edit all that out of the video because I'm not holding it straight. Anyway, somebody tell us what you think, because we don't know. We're just trying.
Yep. It's a unicorn. Ow, that's hot for my thoughts.
Probably. Well, is that it?
Yeah. I'm not going to do the other side yet.
You what?
Not yet.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to eat your popsicles.